Yes, hello children. Now in this video, I am going to teach few examples from 24 exercise 24a mean median mode and to find the value of unknown frequency or observation. So 24a question number 5. The mean of 6, 4, 7, a and 10 is 8. Find a. Here the observations are 6, 4, 7. A is unknown and 10. The mean is given 8. You have to find A. What is the formula for mean? The sum of observation divided by number of observation. Therefore, 6 plus 4 plus 7 plus A plus 10. Total observation 5 is equal to 8. Therefore, 27 plus A is equal to 8 into 5. 27 plus A is equal to 40. A is equal to 13. In this way, you have to find the unknown. Next question number 12 from the same exercise. The x is given, that is observation, frequencies are given, and you have to find mean is given, you have to find the value of unknown. This is the raw data, this is the tabulated form. Now you have to find fx. X is given, f is given, find fx. So you are getting fx 9, 12, 27, 15, 6 into p plus 4 is equal to 6p plus 24. Sigma f is equal to 33. Sigma fx is equal to 87 plus 6p. You know the formula for the mean, tabulated form. Sigma fx divided by sigma f is equal to mean. 87 plus 6p by 33, 5. The mean is given. The value of p you are getting 13. In this way you can do the other sums. Do similar question from the revision exercise at the back of the textbook. Now, question number 13. Sigma f is given 200, mean is given 73, find f1, f2. In this, you have two unknown frequencies are there. In the previous question, only one. Now, you are getting f1, f2, two unknown frequency. Now, you know x, you know f. Now, you have to find fx. 46 into 0, 0, 50 into f1. In the different column, you write 50 f1. You can't add the numbers. Okay, 100 plus 100 into f2 is 100 f2. 150 into 25, 3750. 200 into 10, 2000. 250 into 5, 1250. And sigma f is equal to 86 plus f1 plus f2. Sigma fx is 7000 plus 50 f1 plus 100 f2. Here, the total frequency 200 given. Therefore, first you have to take this one. 86 plus f1 plus f2 is equal to sigma f. In the place of sigma f, 200 substitute. f1 plus f2 is equal to 114. This is the first equation. Next, apply the formula. Sigma fx divided by sigma f is equal to mean. 700 plus 7000 plus 50 f1 plus 100 f2 divided by the total frequency 200 given, mean is 73 given. You are getting f1 plus 2 f2 is equal to 152. This is the second equation. You know first equation, you know the second equation, you know how to solve the simultaneous linear equation. Now you are getting f2 is equal to 38. Substitute in the first equation, f1 plus f2 is equal to 38. f1 plus f2 100 and f2 you got 38. f1 plus f2 is equal to 114. f1 plus 38 is equal to 114. Therefore, f1 is equal to 76. Therefore, frequency is 71 f1 and f2 is equal to 38. Now, the similar question you have to practice. Now, I am going to teach how to find the mean median mode for grouped data. What is grouped data? 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. This kind of class interval is called the grouped data. It may be continuous or discontinue. Continuous only you have to, if it is discontinue, you have to make it continuous and then you have to store the sums. Now there are three methods in mean: direct method, shortcut method, step deviation method. Now example, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 frequencies are given. Direct method, first you have to find the mid value. Mid value or class mark. Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So 10 plus 0 by 2, 5. 20 plus 10. by 2, 15. So you are getting the column x 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. The frequencies are given. Fx you have to find out sigma f, sigma fx. The mean, it is represented by x bar is equal to sigma fx divided by sigma f is equal to 940 divided by 40. You are getting 23.5. This is the direct method. Now the same question I am going to use for the shortcut method. Now you know the formula for shortcut and step deviation. Now the same procedure, you find the mid value. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45 are the mid value. Frequencies are given 10, 6, 8, 12, 4. Sigma f you find out 40. Now D is equal to x minus A. A is the assumed mean. You have to choose from x the mid value as assumed mean. So here 25 is the assumed mean. Note down here. Now D is equal to x minus A. X is 5. 5 minus 25 minus 20. 15 minus 25 minus 10. 25 minus 25 0. 35 minus 25 10. 45 minus 25 is 20. You are getting the value of D. Next you find FD. Minus 20 into 10 minus 200. Minus 10 into 6 minus 60. 0, 120 and 4 into 20, 80. The negative column separately add it. Minus 260, positive 200. So adding these, you are getting sigma of D is equal to minus 60. The formula for shortcut method, mean is equal to A plus sigma of D divided by sigma of 25 plus minus 60 by 40. 0, 0 cancel. First you have to calculate this one. So you are getting 1.5. So 25 minus 1.5, 23.5. The same answer you are getting. You got in direct method also same answer. Now third method, step deviation method. Now you are finding the mid value like this. Now A you are choosing from the mid value of middle value 25. I is the class size. Upper limit minus lower limit. 10 minus 0, 10. Even 20 minus 10 is 10. 30 minus 20, 10 only. So I is equal to 10. Now you are finding T. T is equal to x minus A by I. So here x is 5. 5 minus 25 minus 20 by 10 minus 2. Next 15 minus 25 minus 10 by 10 minus 1. 25 minus 25 0. Next 35 minus 25 10. 10 by I is 1. 45 minus 25 20. 20 by 10 is equal to 2. This is the value of T. Next column FT. F and T you are multiplying. So 10 into minus 2 minus 20. 6 into minus 1 minus 6. 8 into 0 0. 12 into 1 12. 4 into 2 8. Now the positive negative column you are getting how much? Minus 26. Here you are getting 20. Minus 26 plus 20 minus 6 is the value of sigma of T. Sigma of is 40. Mean is equal to A plus sigma of T divided by sigma of into I. 25 plus minus 6 by 40 into I place 10. 0, 0 cancel. Again you are getting minus 1.5. 25 minus 1.5 is equal to 23.5 is the value of mean. So all the three method you are getting the same value. You have to practice the similar question. Now I am going to teach median for the group data. Now you got the I explained the median for the raw data and the tabulated form. Now the different exercise you have to use all the sums in the similar way you have to practice. First in this, what is the steps? You have to find always if median asks means you need cumulative frequency. So the class interval, it is not necessary to find a mid value for your median or mode. Only you have to find the mid value for mean only. Here median is related to cumulative frequency. Now the example I am taking 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Frequencies are given 5, 7, 10, 8, 5. So you want going to find the median. Therefore immediately you have to find the cumulative frequency. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 10, 22. 22 plus 8, 30, 30 plus 5, 35. Now immediately you have to mark in the side upper limit and cumulative frequency. Because in the OJI you are going to use only upper limit. So 10, 5, these are the points you have to mark in your graph. 20, 12, 30, 22, 40, 30, 50, 35. Upper limit and cumulative frequency. Now, n is equal to sigma f is equal to 35. See here, the last cumulative frequency also 35. So, sigma f represented by n. This is also n. The 35 is the odd number. Therefore, the median is equal to formula n plus 1 by 2th term. 35 plus 1 by 2, 18th term. Now, you see your graph here, class interval. You are getting 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 class interval in your x-axis, cumulative frequency in your y-axis. Now you are drawing, this is the 18th term. 18th term is here in between 10 and, so 8, in between 10 lines will be there. So 8th line you are drawing, where it is intersecting on the OJI, it intersect at A. So from A you draw the perpendicular line, it intersects on this point. This is the median. So now the median is equal to in between 20 and 30. So your answer is 28 you will get, or whatever you are getting in your graph, that become your median. Therefore, the median is equal to 27 or 28. The line opposite to 18, horizontal line, it intersect on the x-axis at 27. Therefore, median is equal to 27. Now, quartiles. I am going to explain about the quartiles, that is lower quartile, upper quartile, interquartile range. Quartiles are those values of the variate which divides the total set of data in 4 equal parts. For finding the quartile, the given terms, data, are always in the ascending order. You know, to find the median, always the observation should be in ascending order. In this way, it should be in ascending order. First one is lower quartile, LQ, and that is represented by Q1. If n is even, lower quartile is n by 4th term. Median is n by 2th term. And this is the 1/4 of the total observation, therefore n by 4th term. If it is odd, lower quartile is n plus 1 by 4th term. Upper quartile, UQ, it represented by Q3. If n is even, the upper quartile is 3n by 4th term. If n is odd, upper quartile is 3 by 4 into n plus 4th term. This is the 3/4 of the total observation. This is 1/4, this is 3/4, and median is half of. Interquartile range. Interquartile range is equal to upper quartile minus lower quartile. These are the terms. You are going to find the lower quartile and upper quartile through the graph. What are the answers you are getting? The difference between the upper quartile and lower quartile is called interquartile range. Now for grouped data, mean is n by 2th term. See, suppose in this tabulated form and raw data, you use for even average of nth term and n plus 1th term. Here, in the grouped data, only you have to use n by 2th term in your graph. And if it is odd, n plus 1 by 2th term. Now, quartile for raw data. Example, I am going to explain the quartiles. This is for the raw data. The numbers are 7, 9, 11, 13, 17, 21, 25 are given. The number of terms, 7. 7 is odd. So, odd means 1/4 of 7 plus 1. N plus 1 by 4th term. 7 plus 1 by 4. 8 by 4 second term. In this order, first you have to write in ascending order. Always to find your median or quartiles, you have to write the observation in your ascending order. The second term is 9. Therefore, lower quartile is 9. Upper quartile, 3/4 of n plus 1th term. 3 by 4 into 7 plus 1. 6th term. Here the 6th term is 21. Median, how to find out? Median is n plus 1 by 2. That is 7 plus 1 by 2. 4th term. Here the median is 13. So 9 is lower quartile, 13 is median, 21 is upper quartile. In this you can find the interquartile range is upper quartile minus lower quartile. 21 minus 9 you can find, that is the interquartile range. Now the quartiles for grouped data. I am going to explain the example for, this is the example, one example I gave for this. Now we are going to solve the quartiles. Okay, now the class interval 5 to 10, 20 to 15, these are the question and the frequencies are given. Here not necessary to find the mid value. Already I told you mid value you have to find only for mean, not for median or mode. It is necessary you have to find the cumulative frequency. 3, 7, 13, 22, 29, 30. Sigma f is n. N is equal to sigma f. The last cumulative frequency also 30. This is represented by n. In the bracket, immediately write upper quartile and cumulative frequency. This is upper limit and this is cumulative frequency. 10, 3, 15, 7 you write to construct your ogive. Class interval in your x-axis, cumulative frequency in your y-axis, opposite to upper limit, cumulative frequency you have to mark. But you have to draw the free hand curve for ogive. Here n is 30, 30 is even number. Immediately you have to remember n is even or odd. According to that you have to apply the formula. Now in your x-axis you are drawing the class interval or marks. This represents marks, this represents students. So you are taking the students or cumulative frequency in your y-axis. Now opposite to upper limit, cumulative frequency, opposite to 10, 3, opposite to 15, 7, opposite to 20, 13, opposite to 25, 22, opposite to 30, you are taking 29, opposite to 35, you are taking 30. From 5, you are drawing the free hand curve. This is ogive you have to construct. What is that? You have to find the lower quartile. The lower quartile for even, n by 4th term. There are total term 30, 30 by 4, 7.5. Opposite to 7.5, draw horizontal line. It intersects on the x-axis. 15.5 it is intersecting, therefore the lower quartile is 15.5. That is Q1. Always the lower quartile represented by Q1. Upper quartile, the formula is 3 by 4 into n. 3 by 4 into 30, 22.5th term. Opposite to 22.5, draw horizontal line. Where it is intersecting ogive, draw vertical line. It intersects on the x-axis. 25.5, therefore your upper quartile is 25.5. The interquartile range formula is upper quartile minus lower quartile. 25.5 minus 15.5 is equal to 10. Now for median 30, n by 2. n by 2 is 30 by 2, 15. Opposite to 15, draw horizontal line and draw vertical line. It intersects on the x-axis at 21. Therefore, the median is 21. Next, I am going to teach about the mean is 21. Now, in the same figure, I am going to find how many students. Here, the marks. Going to find how many students got more than 12 or less than 12. These kind of questions will come. Now the question is the number of students obtained less than 12 marks. Now you have to draw here in your x-axis from 12, draw a vertical line. Where it is intersecting, draw horizontal line. It intersects on 5. Therefore, the students got less than 12, 5 students. Now you want to find how many students got more than 12 marks. The same procedure opposite to 12 vertical line, horizontal. It intersects at 5. But the total students is how many students you are getting. You have to subtract from that 30 total students. That 5 students got less than 5. Therefore, remaining 25 students got more than 12. 5 students got less than 12 marks. and the remaining students got more than 12. Therefore, 30 minus 5 is equal to 25 students got more than 12 marks. There are total students 30. 5 students got less than 12, and 30 minus 5, 25 students got more than 12 marks. Okay, now come to the mode for grouped data. Already I taught you for the raw data and tabulated form how to find the mode. Mode means the opposite to highest frequency. What is the observation? That is the mode. Or which frequency is the observation repeating many times is called mode. Now I am going to teach for the grouped data. 20 to 30, 30 same, and these frequencies are given. The highest frequency here 11, opposite to 11, 50 to 60 is called the model class. Model class is 50 to 60. Definitely your answer will come in between 50 and 60. Now for mode you have to draw histogram. So for median you have to draw Ojai. For mode you have to construct histogram. All you know how to construct histogram. In your x-axis, class interval. In y-axis, only the frequency. Now 0 to 20, you are drawing the king or break. You are drawing, then you start from 20, 30, 40, 50. These are the class interval and these are the frequency. Construct the histogram. Now definitely you know the mode will be from 15 to 60. Therefore, here see all of you, this is the, here your mode will come. So the lower end of the previous one to the end, higher, the last end, you have to join DB. And here the highest A to next lower end you join. And where it is intersecting, draw the perpendicular line. Where it is intersecting, that is mode. Now the previous one to here, and this end to the next lower you have to join, because the mode will come here only. So draw the vertical line. It intersects nearly 53. It is intersecting in between 50 and 60. Therefore, mode is equal to 53. Again, I am explaining. This is the 50 to 60 is the model class. Your answer will be, this is the opposite to highest frequency. So then previous lower end to this high end you have to join, and this end to next end you are joining. Draw vertical line. Where it is intersecting, that is the mode. In between 50 and third line it is intersecting. Therefore, mode is equal to 53. So all the students, you remember, mean means there are three methods. One is direct step deviation. And median, you have to construct OJ. Definitely you have to calculate cumulative frequency. For histogram, you need, histogram you have to draw for mode. Mode you need only frequency. Opposite to highest frequency, your answer will be there. So you have to join where it is intersecting on the x-axis will be mode. So students, in your exercise, there are different exercises are there for mean separate exercise, median separate exercise, and mode separate exercise. In the same exercise, all are given. Raw data also, tabulated form also, and grouped data. So do only for grouped data you need graph. And for your tabulated form and raw data, only the calculation. So for these two, you use your arithmetic notebook. In that only you can calculate the exercise. Only for the grouped data to find mode and median, do in your graph sheet and find. So finish all the sums, students. Good luck.